Okay, so I want to show you an interesting and creative release for the adductor work. I'm doing it on a mat on the floor, similar to the way you would with the tightness tradition. With Allison, she's got a really tight adductor that I've got one of my knees underneath her glutes to release some of her glute area. I'm also supporting her thigh and lower leg. And then I'm hooking underneath the heel and ankle, and then I'm allowing both of my hands to hook in to her tight adductor. And then I'll work my way in. But then what I'll have her do is I want her to keep her knee in the same place, but then rotate, Allison, your ankle into me, and then release. And what that does, it's getting the adductor to change angles, and then it's also through her doing that, she, through her own pressure, go ahead, do it again, Allison, is modulating and bringing this hand into where her adductor's tight. It's a really nice opening, and then I can integrate a little bit afterwards. So that was a creative way of getting some adductor work done on